Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix mud flaps on your Tesla Model Y. This essential upgrade helps shield your vehicle's lower body from road grit, salt, and small rocks, preserving its finish. You'll find that installing them is a very manageable DIY task, often taking less than 1 hour per side. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to securing the flaps, ensuring a clean and protected ride for many miles to come. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right equipment. You'll need a push clip removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully detach existing clips. Most mud flap kits come with new push clips, which are crucial for a secure fit. Always clean the installation area with rubbing alcohol and allow it to dry completely. This ensures proper adhesion and a lasting installation. Now, let's tackle the front mud flaps. Start by turning your steering wheel completely to the left to give yourself ample working space. Using your removal tool, gently pry out the 2 existing push clips from the wheel arch liner. Next, align your new mud flap, ensuring its small tabs hook securely onto the fender garnish. Insert the new push clips, pushing the plastic rivet in to close them, starting with the inner clip for best alignment. Moving to the rear, you'll typically remove 2 plastic clips and 1 10mm bumper bolt. Once these are out, position your new mud flap, aligning it with the existing holes. Secure it using the new push clips and reinsert the 10mm bolt, tightening it gently. Double-check all 4 mud flaps to ensure they are snug and correctly aligned. Choosing flexible mud flaps can offer greater resilience against accidental bumps or scrapes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.